HIMS stock is up nearly 4% in regular trading hours. There's a reason why it's up. It is up because HIMS is introducing a brand new product. The product that they're introducing is anti-dandruff shampoo for men. One of the reasons why I invested in HIMS is their unbelievable product line and their robust growth ethics. They keep expanding on their product lines, not just for HIMS, but also for hers. And they keep spending a shit ton of money for advertising. HIMS consistently puts out new products. Just around 2 months ago, they put out something called Hard Mints, which is basically the answer for erectile dysfunction in a very discreet way. You take a little mint while you're at the bar, you come home and you pipe it down. A lot of people have been complaining that HIMS is doing bad, that they gave up all of their gains, that HIMS is now south of $10. And what people are not remembering is that HIMS outperformed, I think, every single other stock during this bear market. HIMS literally ran up to a 52-week high to earnings. And people are angry that HIMS is retreating. Yes, we retreated after earnings, but at the same time, the entire market is going down. Obviously, HIMS did do worse than the broader general market after their earnings. However, in general, HIMS is a freaking monster. And one of the reasons why HIMS is a monster is this innovation. A lot of people are complaining that there's insider selling for HIMS. Yes, some of the sells is people selling shares. They're taking profits. Others are executing options, or they have a predetermined automatic sell, which means that they're saying, hey, we will sell on this specific date. At the end of the day, a lot of people, including C-level executives, have been holding shares for quite a while. There's a lot of expenses that they have in their everyday normal life. It's fine. Let me ask you a question. If you had something and all of a sudden something ran up to a 52-week high, maybe you have bills to pay. Maybe you have to send your kids to college. Maybe you're retiring. Maybe you want to buy a boat. Maybe you want to enjoy your life a little bit. Shit happens, guys. The sky is not falling. HIMS is not, all shitty. And HIMS has had this before. They had a run up. They came down, run up harder, come down, run up harder. It happens. Let me read you a publication about HIMS. HIMS and Her announces new anti-dandruff shampoo for HIMS customers. And I quote, our HIMS and Hers customers continue to demand more products that address hair health right at the source. Due to dandruff, follicle clogging, impact, and inflammation, dandruff and hair loss often go hand in hand. And with about half of people facing dandruff at some point in their life, we're proud to serve customers with this addition to our portfolio. We set out to create an effective dandruff shampoo that helps to remove flakes, itch, and scalp irritation by incorporating avocado oil to strengthen their strands and a refreshing evergreen mint scent that doesn't have a medicated fragrance. People can proudly display dandruff detox in their shower. The new shampoo expands on an existing lineup of brands' hair products for men, including a thick fix shampoo and conditioner, max volume shampoo and conditioner, biotin building gummies, minoxidil foam and drops, as well as our prescription offerings such as a 2-in-1, so on, so forth, etc., etc. And the product is going to be available online, which is where most of their sales come from, as well as in pharmacies like CVS. This is a chart of the price of HIMS. In the last year, HIMS is up over 100%. Let me say that again, over 100%. And people are complaining. Guys, it's just a small retracement. It's all good. If you invest in a company, you're not investing for a month or 6 months or a year. You're investing for a long run, right? Unless you're a trader, which is fine. If you believe in HIMS, that's growing over 90% year over year and already stating that they will be growing over 50%, not only for 1 year, but for 2 years, then what exactly are you worried about? HIMS is an absolute monster in my personal opinion and one of my most bullish positions. Probably my most bullish position right after Palantir. Now, I can't believe I'm saying this, but for everybody that says, hey, I wish I got into HIMS, but I didn't get a chance, aren't you happy that you're able to DCA with the price going down? Aren't you happy that you can buy the shares as the price is going down? Personally, yes, it sucks that HIM's price went down. Absolutely. But HIM's literally went from $12 to $9. But I want to show you a quick screen. This is the screen of HIM's 1 year, up 107%. NASDAQ is down 11% for the same year. Over the last 6 months, NASDAQ is down 1%. And for the last month, NASDAQ is down 5%. HIM's is up 50% over the last 6 months. HIM's is down 10% over the last month. So yes, HIM's is definitely underperforming NASDAQ over the last month, but HIM's is absolutely destroying, smashing, and obliterating every single possible metric you can possibly think of in the stock market when it comes to 1 year and 6 month charts. If you believe that HIM's is going to be a world beater in the next down run or in the next up run, what are you worried about? Personally, I am still nibbling on shares of HIM's. I actually added a little bit to my position in the public portfolio, and I'm proud to hold this as part of my portfolio. You gotta understand, the more products that HIM's adds to their lineup, the more customers that they will get, or they can add to their net retention of existing clients. What exactly does that mean? If I am a client and I use the hair loss shampoo and hair loss conditioner and the minoxidil drops, I'm gonna get other products that also fit my needs. I personally do use the hair loss shampoo and hair loss conditioner as well as the drops. You know what else I use? The hair loss foam. Because I can't style my hair with regular gel or regular mousse, I use the foam. Where am I getting the foam? From HIM's. Why? I don't want to lose my hair as I put in the products to the limited hair that I still have left. So of course, if I want a regular shampoo or I have dandruff, which thankfully I don't, I would be using HIM's products. Now remember, HIM's has a 90 plus, not just 90, 90, not 19, 90 plus retention rate, stickiness for clients, which means if you use HIM's once, you're probably going to end up getting a subscription for their amazing products. And that there is the goal, and that inherently is the key when it comes to HIM's. Our CEO goes on Twitter. The first thing he says when SVB goes down, Silicon Valley Bank, is we have no exposure and our debt, our loans are not affected by this. They have a very healthy cash position. They are growing at a ridiculously rapid pace, and they just achieved the first quarter of positive adjusted EBITDA. Their numbers that they're projecting are ridiculous. Who grows 50% plus? So it's not 50, it's 50 plus, more like 60% plus for the next 2 years, and they already grew over 90%. If you think HIM's is a failing company, I suggest that you look at a company like Teladoc, which is also in telehealth. HIM's power comes from making products that cost equivalent or less than copays. Instead of using insurance, you just go directly to HIM's. And HIM's makes problems sexy again. They make the taboo and make it trendy. That's the power of HIM's. Seamless transactions, absolute customer service, and bringing sexy back. And if you want to bring sexy back, click on this video down below. It's jam-packed with a bunch of knowledge, entertainment, and goods. And most importantly, remember, keep it clean in between, because hygiene is the most important thing. I'll see you in the next one.